These are a couple of the Shiba Inus that we currently have available at purebredpups.com. Our telephone number is 641-588-3110. And we are open by appointment daily. We're located along the Iowa-Minnesota border, and we have litters throughout the year, so if you miss out on these guys, we're sure to have another litter soon. And all the individual pictures are posted there on our website at purebredpups.com. The website is spelled purebredpups.com. And once again, our telephone number is 641-588-3110.